Okay, boys and girls, let's get started with our lion drawing. This is going to be a fun drawing because there's a little surprise in the end. Now, I have a drawing I made earlier underneath as a guide, so it's going to help me along, and it's also going to help you as we move forward with our drawing. Let's get our pencil and get started. The first thing we're going to do near the very top edge of the paper is we're going to make a V. That's going to be the beginning of the lion's face. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to curve the end of that V down like we're going down a hill. Let's do the same thing to the other side. We're going to curve over like we're going down a hill. Now we're going to curve in a little bit, go down, and stop at the fold. We're going to curve in a little bit, go down, and stop at the fold. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to form some eyes for the lion. We're going to make two long, skinny triangles, 1, 2. Those are going to be the lion's eyes. We're going to add some lines to suggest his eyebrows. 1, 2, these are diagonal lines. And now we're going to bring a curved line starting right near that diagonal that goes right near the corner of the eye and stops. Curved line, same thing on the other side, stops right near the eyebrow, goes right down near the corner of the eye and stops. Let's echo that line a little bit by making a curve here and a curve here. Now, let's connect those two lines and make another slightly larger skinny triangle, and that's going to be the lion's nose. Now remember, you can always stop the video to get caught up, so don't feel like you have to work as quickly as I am. Next, we're going to form these rounded parts of the lion's mouth here. We're going to add that classic upside down Y shape here. And that makes the muzzle of the lion's mouth. Now we're going to add a few dots. 1, 2, 3. Let's do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. So you see how the lion's face is coming together? Let's add some whiskers. He's got long whiskers coming out. And I'll do 3 over here. Each one connected to one of the dots. Now at the top here, we're going to start to form the lion's mane. We're going to go to the very top of the page. We're going to come down at a diagonal. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Now let's go in with a diagonal. Go in towards the head of the diagonal. Now let's go out and out and in and in and out and out and in and in. We're getting very close now. We're going to add an ear here and an ear here. Now, I'm going to move my drawing that I have underneath up here so I can remind myself how I'm going to do the mouth. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue where we left off over here and here with a little bit of a curve. Then I'm going to go up just a little bit, up just a little bit, and make a little rounded curve to connect it. Below there, you're going to see this kind of bearded shape. So we're going to do a diagonal, and then we're going to do a really rough, pointy kind of bearded shape for the bottom of the lion's mouth. And we're going to continue that little smiley upside down Y line over and connect it to the muzzle. And now we're going to continue the lion's mane. Let's come down with a curve here, go up and down and down, up and down and down and up, and let's just have them meet together in a triangle. We're going to stop there. Now, take your black marker And I want you to take some time to trace over your drawing like I have here. Color in the nose, color in the eyes, and we'll stop there.